Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pedroline, and if it's your first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to leave some comments. Be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on my next videos. In today's video, I'll be doing a review, unboxing, and the name of the company is called Mark & More. This is the box of the company, makeup product, Mark & More, and there are 39 pieces of makeup. So inside the box there is a mirror, 3 brush, 24 eyeshadow, and 1 mascara, 2 foundation, 2 blush, 2 eyeliner, and 2 lipstick, 2 nail polish. So I'll be opening the box, then I'll be showing you the things that are inside as I've already listed. So I'm opening the box. Wow! As you can see, this is the way it looks like. I like the arrangement, very perfect. There is a big mirror, as you can see, and then this is the outside. So inside there is 2 eyeliner, as I said, and these are the 2 eyeliner. And then there is 2 lipstick, red and orange. These are the lipstick. Don't forget, the name of the company is Mark & More. These are the lipstick. And then there is, I can just show you how they look like. This is the way the orange lipstick looks like, and this is the lipstick. As you can see, it's a lot of lipstick, and this is the way it looks like. So I have to show you the red one. This is the way it is. So I'll just swatch here. As you can see, very nice red lipstick. And then there is 2 nail polish, and these are the nail polish, red, and they get expired within 6 months. So you have to make sure that once when you use makeup products, you look for the small box. There's a small box that shows the expiry date. You have to be very careful to use the right dates. Don't use expired things. And then these are the 24 eyeshadows. So I'll just have to start with this color here. As you can see here where I'm pointing, so I'll just touch there. Then I'll just do like this. As you can see, that's the first color. Nice pigment. And then I'll have to go for the, I think this is light brown. This one here, I have to touch there also. And this the way it looks like. And then I'll go for the third one. So I'll have to touch there again and show you people. And this the way it looks like the other color. The colors are a little bit similar. Then I'll go for the other color. This one here right there, as you can see at my fingers here. I'm just going to touch then I'm just going to hold here, as you can see there. Very nice colors. And then I'll go for this color here. And then I'll just hold here. I think I have shown you a lot of eyeshadows, so I'll just show you the foundation. By the way, these are the two foundation. As you can see, the foundation does not go with my skin tone because this foundation, they're very light in color. So I'll just hold there to show you. The foundation comes in a form like powder, so I'll just hold there, as you can see. And then I'll touch the other foundation. That's the other foundation. This is the second foundation and this is the first foundation. And then I'm going to show you the two blush, even though they are same colors, which is light pink. These are the blush, as you can see. I'll just hold there, then I'm going to show you guys. This is the way the blush looks like. As you can see, I have to come near the camera. The colors are a little bit similar. So right now I'm going to show you, I'm going to touch in the other colors of the eyeshadows. As you can see, there are a lot of eyeshadow, but I'm not going to show you all the colors. I'll just hold here the green one. That's what I'm going to touch. We have to test and see. This is the green one. Nice color as well, but even though I don't think that green can look nice on my eyeshadow, on my eyebrow, and I've never used green eyebrow, so I think one day I might try. And then I'll have to try the blue one, the blue eyeshadow. This is the blue eyeshadow, so I'm just going to touch there, and then I'm going to show you guys. Here is the blue eyeshadow. Oi. Very nice, nice color, and cheap price. Everybody can afford to buy them. Affordable. They did not discriminate. Affordable, rich or poor, you can buy this Mark and More. And then there is an eyebrow. This is the eyebrow inside, as you can see. So I'm just going to lift it and then I'm going to show you guys. This is the mascara, as you can see, mascara. It gets expired within 3 months, as you can see. There I'm holding. Make sure that you check for the small box. Always look for the small box. Where they show you a small box, that's where there is the expiry date, and it says 3 months. It means that you have to use it within 3 months. 3 months, guys. Instruction. Always follow instructions. And then you also get this extra thing. And then this, which are not useful. then the mirror. In conclusion, I think I like the arrangement, but I don't like the colors are quite beautiful, but it's like most of the colors, they're a little bit similar. I don't like some colors which are a little bit similar. And I like this 24 eyeshadows because you find the black color. Always I like some eyeshadow that has got black eyeshadow, which is very nice. But in conclusion, I'll say that the foundation is not nice because it's like it's powder. It comes like it's a little bit messy. You know, you have to be very careful once using it because it's like, even though the packaging is nice, but I don't like the way they have just arranged the thing, because the arrangement is not nice. If they were going to like separate the powder, everything, you know, to something that was going to avoid the foundation from getting inside the eyeshadows, I think it could be a little bit better. But right now I think it will be just a little bit messy since there is no enough space. But even though the packaging is very nice, get me clear, the packaging is very nice, but the separation, I don't think that it's nice for me. And I think that everybody can afford to buy this makeup product since it comes in large quantity, and I'll recommend everybody to buy who's willing, because it's not everybody who can afford to buy expensive makeup products. Guys, I have to encourage you also that just because some other people can afford to buy expensive foundation does not mean that if you use cheap foundation, you're not going to be like them. You have to make sure that you buy things that you can afford. So in conclusion, make sure that you buy this Mark & More product because it's affordable, and you can what? Keep the change to yourself. So see you in my next video. Bye.